Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this right triangle ABD fully confined in a quarter circle with a center B, as you can see in this given diagram. And as a result, we are ended up with this green shaded region, as you can see over here. And moreover, this tiny horizontal segment CD is 1 unit. Whereas this diagonal AD is 5 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded region. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and let's focus on this quarter circle. Let's assume this radius AB I'm going to label as lowercase r. Then this other radius BC is going to be lowercase r as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this tiny segment CD is 1 unit. So therefore this segment BD length is going to be lowercase r minus 1. And now our task is to find the value of this radius lowercase r. And now let's focus on this right triangle ABD. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem, a square plus b square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 5, whereas our two other legs are lowercase r and r minus 1. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got r square plus r minus 1 square is going to be equal to 5 square. And now let's recall this famous identity. A minus b whole square could be written as a square minus 2 times ab plus b square. And we are going to apply this identity on the left hand side of this equation on this binomial. So therefore we can write down r square plus this is going to become r square minus 2 times r plus 1 equals to 25. Let's go ahead and combine these like terms. So therefore we can write down 2 times r square minus 2r plus 1 equals to 25. And now I am going to move this 25 on the other direction. So therefore we can write 2 times r square minus 2 times r plus 1, and that is going to give us negative 25 equal to 0. Let's go ahead and simplify furthermore. We are going to get 2r square minus 2 times r minus 24 equal to 0. And now I am going to divide by 2 across the board, dividing each and every term to make our job simple. And here we can see that is going to give us r square minus r minus 12 is going to be equal to 0. So thus we are ended up with this quadratic equation r square minus r minus 12 equal to 0. And we are going to solve this quadratic equation by grouping and factoring. And now let's focus on this constant 12. Just disregard this negative sign. 12 could be broken down to 4 times 3. And now let's focus on this middle term. We can tweak this middle term. Negative 1r could be written as negative 4r plus 3r. And here 4 and 3 are coming from here. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this negative r with negative 4r plus 3r. And now between first two terms we can see r is in common, and for these last two terms we can see 3 is in common. So therefore we can write r times r minus 4, and then plus 3 is factored. So we got r minus 4 equal to 0. And now we can see r minus 4 and r minus 4, they are in common. So therefore we can write r minus 4 times r plus 3 equal to 0. And since we got these two factors equal to 0, we are going to separate them. I can write r minus 4 equal to 0 and r plus 3 equal to 0. So therefore our lowercase r value turns out to be positive 4 units. And for this equation, r is going to be negative 3 value. And now we can see r equals to negative 3 value is not feasible. So therefore we are going to reject this negative value of radius r, and we are going to accept this r equals to positive 4 value. So thus our radius r value turns out to be 4 units, and for this r minus 1 is going to give us 4 minus 1 is going to be 3 units. And now since we are interested in calculating the area of this green shaded region, so therefore let's recall this equation, and we can see that our green shaded region area is going to be equal to the quarter circle area minus the area of this right triangle ABD. So therefore now our task is to calculate the area of this quarter circle, and we are going to calculate the area of this right triangle ABD as well. So therefore we are going to calculate the area of this given quarter circle. And now let's recall the area of a circle formula. Area is always equal to pi times r square, where lowercase r is the radius. And since we are dealing with the quarter circle, so therefore the quarter circle area is going to be pi times r square, and we are going to divide it by 4. And now our lowercase r value is 4, so I'm going to substitute that r value 4 over here. So therefore we can write down pi divided by 4 times 4 square. That is going to give us 16 times pi divided by 4. So therefore this is going to give us 4 times pi. So thus the quarter circle area turns out to be 4 times pi. And now we are going to calculate the area of this right triangle ABD. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this triangle is 3, the height is 4. So therefore the area of this triangle ABD is going to be a half times 3 times 4. And if we simplify, that is going to give us 6. So thus the area of this triangle ABD turns out to be 6. And here's our final step. Let's recall this equation once again. The green shaded region area equals to the quarter circle area minus the area of the right triangle ABD. And we already figured out our quarter circle area is 4 pi and the triangle ABD area is 6. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this equation. So we got 4 times pi minus 6 square units the area of this green shaded region. So thus the area of this green shaded region turns out to be 4 pi minus 6 square units. And that is going to be approximately equal to 6.57 square units as well. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.